Even if it's
jokes, yeah.
funny, they won't laugh.
Yeah.
Before my initial question, I would I'm gonna do a crack at just trying to explain real quick who each of these minor prophets are. So Haggai, he played a big role as a prophet who helped rebuild the temple after the Babylonian exile, a covenantally themed prophetical book pointing towards restoration. The new temple for restoration is the main focus. And Jesus, here's that. I feel like you guys are going to kick back on the Puritan thing on me, but I have this written down, so you guys can comment if you want. But